is Jen again from Gentam District, and for today's video guys, another how-to video naman tayo. At sa video na to, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-transfer ng funds from your Shopee Pay account papunta sa inyong Maribank account. Napakadali lang guys ng step-by-step process kung paano ito gawin. Kaya kung ano pang nantay natin, umpisa na natin agad! So, umpisa na natin guys. Para makapag-transfer kayo ng inyong Shopee Pay balance papunta sa inyong Maribank, click nyo lang tong me. And then, after nyo i-click yung me, or punta na lang kayo ulit dito sa homepage, click nyo tong unlimited free transfer, yung sa may 137.03 yung balance. And then, after nyan guys is, i-click nyo lang tong send money. And then, pagka-click nyo ng save money guys, click nyo lang yung bank account. And then after you click yung bank account, click add new bank account. Then select the bank na gusto nyo pag-transferan. Yung account number, full name, and then I would recommend for you to save the account and then just click next. So by the way guys, once na na-save na yung banko sa inyong Shopee account, so back na lang tayo ulit. Ganito lang ang gagawin nyo, send money. And then once na nakasave na, lalabas siya dito sa my favorites or o kaya dito naman sa my recents. Pero kung wala pa sa recent, click nyo lang yung favorites and then may kita nyo yan dyan. So, click lang natin tong Maribank, which is nakalink kasi to sa aking Shopee Pay account. So, click nyo lang yan and then transfer, let's say, 50 pesos. And then, click nyo lang yung next. Wala namang fee dito, kaya click nyo lang yung send now. Enter the Shopee PIN and there you go. That's it guys. Ganun lang kadali. That's it guys for today's video. Sana nakatulong to sa inyo. If you have any comment, suggestion, please comment down below. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button para maging updated ka sa aking mga latest videos. So, see ya!